How to inspect element on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can inspect element on your iPhone. Now, let's begin. First of all, you will need to head over to an app called Shortcuts. Now, you will by default have this app on your iPhone, so open it up. After you open it up, tap on the plus icon on the top right. After you tap on it, now you will need to add a shortcut. Simply tap on Search Actions and then type in Share. Now here, make sure that you choose the Share option and not Share with Apps option. So after you tap on Share, you'll find the input on right besides Share. Tap on Input and now select Shortcut Input. After you do that, tap on Images and 18 more. And here you will need to tap on Clear on the top left. After you clear everything, that is after you toggle off everything, you will need to turn on this Safari web pages. Tap on Done after you do that. And now tap on Nowhere, tap on Input from Nowhere, tap on that Nowhere option, and here tap on Show in Share Sheet. After you do that, tap on Done. Now here, right besides this, right below this, you'll see Share Shortcut Input. Cross that. And now in search action, simply search for Java. After you search for Java, you'll find Run JavaScript on web pages. Now under here, you will need to remove every code. So remove this code. You can select everything here and then remove this. After that, paste this code. I will provide this code in the description. So after you paste this code in, tap on Done, and now your shortcut is ready. Now what you need to do is simply head over to your website. And after you head over to your website, simply tap on the search bar. After you tap on the search option, simply scroll down till you find the option that we just created. And after you tap on it, you should be able to inspect the element on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.